is there in this market for the last 20 years. We are a 20 years old company. Retail बहुत नया start हुआ है. It has started just 5-6 years back, and our major focuses have been east, south, and west. Always. अभी तक हम लोग यही 3 regions में we have focused a lot. As far as south is concerned, we are strong in Karnataka and we are very strong in AP, Andhra Pradesh. AP का बात करूँ तो AP में we have right now in Hyderabad we have around 4 stores. अपना 3 stores था, लेकिन मंजीरा मॉल के बाद right now we have 4 stores in Hyderabad. Apart from Hyderabad, we are planning to come up with stores in Vijayawada, Vizag, Nellore. These are the 3 places which we have planned. As far as our business in terms of volume is concerned in Andhra Pradesh, we are almost at around 6 to 7% of our total revenue. We'll be closing March 2014 at around 150 crores, and our target for the next year is around 200 crores. At present, we have around 82 stores, exclusive branded outlets of Turtle across India. And by end of fiscal year 2015, we'll be having around 100 stores. That is what our plan is. It should be more than 100 in fact, because we have taken a very aggressive expansion growth as far as 14-15 is concerned. Andhra Pradesh mein we have decided to take a very aggressive expansion plan, because what we have seen is the youth, especially the young generation, as far as Andhra Pradesh or Hyderabad is concerned, people love to wear fashion formals. पहले क्या होता था कि everybody used to go to office wearing formal shirts, normal striped shirt, normal जो formal shirts होते हैं, but अभी that trend has changed. Fashion has come into the picture. People are more conscious. That's what we have seen as far as Hyderabad is concerned. So fashion formal or casual shirts are moving very well in Hyderabad, and we are actually targeting or focusing on that particular group, our target audience, which is a very young crowd starting from say an age of around 25 to 35. Our business, we have been growing year to year at around 20% like to like growth, which is a very healthy growth for any retail business. And we have actually started something very new, which is, in fact, I believe that first time any Indian apparel brand has done this, which is producing pure khadi shirts. Now these khadi shirts are actually made in the villages, where we have given employment to hundreds of women in the villages. They make this hand woven khadi shirts, which is very fine quality. The one which I am wearing is a pure khadi shirt, which Mr. Aditya is wearing is a pure khadi shirt. Let me also introduce Mr. Aditya Malpani. Mr. Aditya Malpani is our brand partner who actually handles our operations of entire southern region. When I talk about southern region, I'm talking about Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. And Mr. Inderji is basically our franchisee who is doing our business in Hyderabad. So there are 3 stores which is run by him, which is Banjara Hills, Karkhana, and the new one which we all were supposed to be there, that is Manjira Mall. So these are the 3 stores which is run by Inderji. As I was talking about khadi shirt ka speciality hai ki in the winters it keeps you cool, in the summers it keeps you warm. I mean, in the winters it keeps you warm, in the summer it keeps you cool. The weight is very light, it is just around 10 grams. पहनने में बहुत ही आराम है. I'm sure आज once we give you the vouchers आप लोग try कर सकते हैं. 90% of our stores are franchised. There are around 10 to 12 stores which is owned by the company. Basically what we see is that a person, we actually, when we look for a franchisee, we don't look for an investor. We actually look for a franchisee who will run the store on our behalf. For example, Inderji actually sits here, he is there in this store, he is there in the rest of the 2 stores on a day-to-day basis, and he runs the store on his own. So that passion and hunger, jab tak na franchisee mein aayega, just for the sake of being an investor, we don't want to give a store to anybody. That's the reason we have been very successful with 90% stores being franchised, and the stores are doing extremely well. We always believe that until and unless the franchisee earns, the company will not earn. So that's how we function. 90% of our stores, 82 stores अभी है अपना all over India. So we have franchisee stores and shop in shop. जैसे we are also present in Central, Pantaloons, Brand Factory, Shoppers Stop. We have around 175 shop in shop stores. Hyderabad Central में again we are always number one as far as menswear is concerned. Menswear is a huge chunk of business as far as Hyderabad Central is concerned. तो वहाँ पे always we are in number one. So इससे पता चलता है कि हैदराबाद में people have actually taken our products very nicely, and our strategy has always been that if I see the other competitors menswear में जो बाकी competitors हैं, our prices have been the lowest. And we give as far as pure cotton shirts are concerned. Pure cotton में we are the lowest right now as far as menswear brand is concerned. और अपने brands में we have everything starting from hat to shoes. So we are a complete menswear wardrobe. Initially Turtle was known as a formal shirt company, but धीरे धीरे we evolved and right now we have everything a man can think of in his wardrobe, starting from hats to shoes. And it's doing extremely well. We are doing a very good business.